Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn about the vertically opposite angles. Yengasiko. Kogi mamangi video in the last video we have learned about the complementary angles, the supplementary angles, linear pair angles, adjacent angles. Smaina mamangi video da tamkhre. Aduna let's remind again. What are complementary angles? Complementary angles habidi kaino habiduniko. When the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, angle anigi sumji 90 degree yauraba 90 degree tarabadi angles are called complementary angles. Now, angle anigi sumji 90 degree yauraba angle sindu complementary angle kawi habuni. And another is when the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree 180 degree tarba angle ani sum tawda 180 degree tarba the angles are called complementary angles haidana sumaina laigre ko supplementary angles complementary angles. And the third one is adjacent angles. Adjacent haragadi akoina thangnaba haibani ko thangnana laiba thangnana laibasida kari condition lay condition ahum lay. They have a common vertex, they have a common arm, and the non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. And the adjacent angle see amtanga I with figure explain to okay. Page number. Yes, here is adjacent angles. Adjacent angles ki condition ahum lay mano follow togadaba sida lay ko. Amna angle anisi adjacent have the thangnaba haibani ko. Thangnaba angles ni adu oragadi aini sida figure ama yege sumain tawduna angle ama lay. This is angle 1, this is angle 2. Angle 1 ga 2 ga si yang si ko. Angle 1 ga 2 ga si da koina adjacent oibra oidabra haibadu yang si. Angle 1 ga 2 ga si adjacent angles ni kam kan do oi angle 1 haibasina sigi jaga sibu akoini angle 1 kaure ko. Then sigi jaga sina angle 2 ni. Makoi ni je adjacent angles kawi because they have common vertex. Makoi common vertex oi sida sida. Common initial point si angle ani maki initial point si common hoy mafam point ama khaktang da ore. Number 1 koi follow tore. Then number 2 they have a common arm. Makoi common arm moy common arm ama yawi common arm haibadi sida ma yawi ko mayai thanguji common arm ni. This one correct. The non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. Non-common arm haibadi common oidaba arm ani do either side of the common arm. Common arm dugi either side nakan ani makta laigadabani habani ko sidama laire aduna marksi angle 1 ga 2 ga si aikoina adjacent angles ni haina lawba yare. Another angle amaga yengasi sumain laire aduna sina angle 1 ni aduga sina angle 2 ni. Angle 2 si sida A B sina C sina D. Angle 2 si aikoigi angle 2 si kemana laigade angle A B C haina laiko. Angle 2 si angle A B C ni laise aduna and angle 1 sina kananong laise angle A B D ni A B D haina lai ani sigi khetnaba si yengasi sidai sida makoigi common vertex laire ko. Common vertex is point B is the common vertex ni and the common arm. Which one is common arm? Common arm is sini ko AV haibdi B ray BA sina common arm ore haibdi angle ABC ki common arm so ore angle ABC to su yaure angle ABD to su yaure common arm ore. And the third point, the common arms, the non-common arms are on either side of the common arm haibani. Non-common arm haigadi siga ne bako haibdi ray BD ga ray BC ga ni makoi si are on either side of the common arm. Common arm gi either side nakan ani makta laigadabani adu sidadi laite ko here The point number 3 does not follow in this angles, in this pair of angles sida follow tawdre aduna they are not akoigi adjacent angles hairani aduna sida sigi condition sima akoina adjacent angles kida sigi condition ahum si yam important oi ko. Next, linear pair angle haibadi akoigi a linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. Linear pair haibadi kaino da adjacent angles ni duga makoigi masagi non-common arms do aduduna koi opposite ray oiba. That means straight line oigadabne ani du. Aduna linear pair dadi makoi ani si plus tawo matamda 180 degree tagadabni ko. Pair of linear pair angles si koi linear pair angle sum of linear pairs angles se makoi ki measure si 180 degree tagadabni. Okay, let's start vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles to mu yengasi. Vertically opposite angles haibasi karino haibada akoina line ani sumain tawna kakthanare matamda when two lines intersect at a point we get four angles: angle number 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. Sumain tawna angle ani je line ani sumain kakthana matamda koina kano fangi haisi angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Four angles fangi ba koina. Sida four angles fangi je angle 1 ga 3 ga angle 3 ga si pair of vertically opposite kawi, angle 2 ga angle 4 ga pair of vertically opposite kawi. Vertically opposite angle opposite haigadi koina mayok naba adum hai ko aduna opposite haigadi magi maning leise siga ma sumaina leigani ba vertically opposite angles aduna aikogi pair of vertically opposite angles ani gi measure si chaw chap managani haiba masu leiko angle 1 angle 2. That means angle 1 is equal to angle 2 ani si chap managani. Then sina angle A angle B hairsi angle A equal to angle B ani si chaw chap managani haina sumaina leiko aduna sina vertically opposite angles ki magi kano dune laibam thokpa rule property duni. Next, let's see some examples. Here question number 9. Question number 9 di yang si in the adjoining figures the figure में पीरी को सी figures the ने in the adjoining figure is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2 angle 1 से angle 2 का adjacent ओइब्रा है अदर ओइबा ओइदब्रा है दी सी angle 1 है सी कनानो angle A O C ni angle 1 is equal to angle A O C and angle 2 is equal to angle C E O C angle 2 sina kanano angle E O C neba adudi makoida common vertex oibra. Yes, common vertex kaida oi O common vertex O da laire. Number 2 common arm yaubra yawi kanano O C ray O C ni ko ray O C na common arm ore ray O C na common arm ore. Then number 3 da non-common arms to common arm ki either side laibra. Non-common arms who are non-common arm which are the OE and the OA si non-common arm ni na OC ki either side lai ko aduna yes angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent ko angles ni. So therefore angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2 mane le. Roman number 2 is angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE. AOC ga AOE ga ko adjacent oigadra haibani. AOC and angle AOE khando si ko angle AOC and angle AOE. AOC haibna sini AOE haibna sini ko aduda common vertex O lere common arm AOC ga AOE ga O A habina common arm ore ko. Then point number 3 common arm gi nakan da non common arm si leibra kana kana no non common arm OC and OE leibra leite ko aduna AOC and the angle AOE je adjacent oide habjima koina khange. Number 3 COE and DOA. COE and DOA ko ani si form a line pair form tawra hai. COE ne DOE ne kai EOD hai sini ko line pair tawra hai bani ko line pair angle form tawra tawdabra hai bu yengasi sigi si EOC hai bu si EOC sta lai ko EOC som da lai amana som da lai amana EDOA hai bani sorry number 3 EOD hai bani EOD hai gadi som side sima lai ko sida common arm or si kanano common arm si OE hai bu re si common arm ore ko OE si common arm ore aduga non common arm si kanano OD si ga OC si ga neba adudi line pair angles ta kai hai OD ga OC ga si opposite ray oibra ko moni jina straight line form tawra opposite ray oibra have di ngasi tawi ko straight line form tawi opposite ray ore aduna Roman number 3 da yes angle COE and the angle EOD form a line pair makoina line pair ama form tawi haina ya. R angle BOD yes and the angle DOA haragadi DOA sini ko supplementary oibra hai supplementary oiba haragadi makoi ani gi sigi angle siga plus toroga 180 degree tagadabani aduga 180 degree tabsida sijina kaigum straight oiraba si straight oiraba ko haibadi line pair angle semaba adugadi 180 degree oirani ko that means supplementary angle orani. So angle BOD and angle DOA makoi ni si supplementary angle oigani ko haibadi AB have je AOB have je pra straight line oire ko line pair form tawre makoina. Roman number 5 is angle 1 vertically opposite to angle 4 ga vertically opposite oibra hai vertically opposite angle hai si kaino pair of vertically opposite angle se kam kana form tawi have matamda line ani kakhatnaraba adu ragadi sigi ani se vertically opposite oi hai doini ko aduna sida line ani se kakhatnadabra yengsi line ani se kakhatnai ko AB haiba line siga DC haiba line siga kakhatnai kai da kakhatnai O haiba point sida kakhatnaraga angle 1 ga angle 4 ga semi ko angle 1 angle 4 ga se vertically opposite angle hoye. Yes angle 1 is vertically opposite to angle 4 harani. Number 6 what is the vertically opposite angle of angle 5 sigi vertically opposite angles kanano hai adudi madi siga ni ko si jaga sini babangi orakadui vertically opposite of angle 5 se adudi angle 2 plus angle 3 makoi ni sina vertically opposite angles of angle 5 ki neba aduna angle BOC sigi answer si kana orani angle BOC haibsina magi opposite angles orani vertically opposite angles orani. Then question number 10 indicate which pair of angles are vertically opposite angles linear pairs. Sida piece kana na vertically opposite angle oi kana na linear pair oi ge haibduni vertically opposite angles the angle 1 ge angle 4 ga vertically opposite angles and angle 5 ka angle 2 plus angle 3 pair of vertically opposite angles ti kana ore angle 1 angle 4 angle 5 and angle 2 plus angle 3 si oigani ko siga ma minus orani linear pair di kana ore linear pair oibasi angle 4 angle 5 angle 4 ga angle 5 ka linear pair angles orani ko then linear pair oiba yauribra linear pair have the angle ani form plus torga 180 degree ta hangadabani ko angle 1 ga 5 angle 4 5 lere then angle 1 angle 5 sisu yai ko sisu linear pair oi tai leitre ko yare sumaina lere then question number 11 angle 1 si angle 2 ka adjacent oibra oidabra give reason haibani angle 1 ga 2 ga ji adjacent oide ko kaigino adjacent angle oiragadi ngasai hagibdo common vertex laigadabani angle 1 and angle 2 makoinigi has no common vertex ko question number 12 find the values of the angles x y and z in each of the following yamna lai sidi yam easy way phone vertically opposite angles ki measure sing gi koina chaw chamana gani hai ko aduna sida 55 oragadi this one should all be 55 degree adudi sida 55 oragadi angle y se kamai puthokadage haibidi siga si angle siga plus toroga 180 degree tagadabane so angle y should be the complement of supplement angles of 55 degree orani ko aduna 180 degree dagi 55 degree khaidokani ko aduga magi value loi phangani y gi su y gi khangadi z gi khangani ko first figure sida and the solake angle x is equal to 55 degree tarani then y cd kamai orani angle y is equal to 180 degree minus 55 degree togani adudi kya tarani aikoina 180 degree dagi 55 khaidogadi 5 125 degree tarani ko 125 degree y gi value 125 degree oragadi z ki su 125 degree tarani ko ani je chamana banina sumaina phangani then mathangi roman number 2 da yauriba figure si amu yengasi it should be 40 degree kaigino 40 degree ki vertically opposite angle niko maje 40 degree orani then si aikoigi sigi ahum je plus toroga 180 degree tagadabani adi 40 plus 25 ti kyano 65 degree leire ko adudi 180 degree dagi 65 degree khaido 5 then 7 minus 1 115 this is 115 degree so angle y measures angle y measures 115 plus 25 so 140 degree angle y measures 140 degree oirani ko sumaina lei And here is the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. If two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measures is 90 degree. If two angles are supplementary, then the sum of their measures is 180 degree. Two angles forming a linear pair are supplementary. Linear pair angles form to supplementary organico. If two adjacent angles are supplementary, they form a linear pair. Adjacent angle ani supplementary or linear pair form to Roman number 5. If two lines intersect at a point, then the vertically opposite angles are always equal. Koina line ani intersect point amada intersect toragadi makhogi vertically opposite angle singsi ani du chap managani haibani ko. Number 6. If two line intersects at a point and if one pair of vertically opposite angles are acute angle, then if two line segments intersect at a point and if one pair of vertically opposite angles are acute angles, then the other pair of vertically opposite angles are line any point amada kakhthanare aduga one pair of vertically opposite angle amadi acute angle sing ore atopa pair du di kai oigani haibani atopa pair sing du obtuse oigani ko because makhoina plus to kan makhoigi adjacent sing du plus to kan da khoina 180 degree fangadawni ko aduna then other pair of vertically opposite angles are obtuse angle lakani. Okay, for this video we have complete. In this video we have learned about the vertically opposite angles. Dana makha taba akogi makha taba topic sing mathangi video da mu yengasi. Okay, bye bye.